Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and subscribe, hit the ring bell so you'll never miss an upload. But I'm going to show you all how to do nails, how to create your own nails and do your own nails. And to achieve this look that I got on my hands, I'm going to show you the steps to follow. All you got to do is just follow those simple steps and you'll have it down packed. So in order to achieve this look that I got on my nails, stay tuned for the steps on how to do that. Now this is the setup that you're going to need if you want to do your own nails, and it's very, very simple and it's not much to it. Okay, but I'm going to show you all what you're going to need. You're going to definitely need cuticle oil. You're going to need some brushes, and I have these little jars to put my activator gel liquid in it, my acrylic liquid in it. You're going to need a nail cutter. You're going to need some nails, of course, the powder. Okay, these are just extra little jar sets that I had got. And of course some nail polish. And you're going to need a brush to brush off your nails. And also this is just UV gels. Okay, and some polish and things like that. You're going to need paper towels. You're going to definitely need paper towels. And you're going to need some buffers. This is extra acrylic liquid right there. So I'm going to get started to show you all how to do your nails to where it doesn't drip. I know a lot of you all have problems with the nails dripping off and it's too liquidy. Well, let me show you how to keep it clean, your nails clean, and things like that. All right, so welcome back, you all. I'm going to show you all how to do the nails to where it doesn't leak off or be running or anything like that. I know some of you all, when you first start out doing nails, it's a little runny and you're trying to figure out how to make it to where it doesn't run off or be drippy. So this is a practice hand or whatever that I made from using a file. And I glued on 2 nails. So I'm going to do these 2 nails to show you all how to do it. This is for beginners. So what you're going to need is a nail brush, of course. You're going to need the acrylic powder. And you're going to need the acrylic liquid. And you're going to need some acetone, 100% pure acetone, to keep your brush clean. Okay, the acetone, what the acetone does is to keep it from hardening up. So you're going to dip it in there. Okay. And you rub it down on the paper towel a little bit. Now we're going to start with this nail. This is the nail we're going to start with. Dip it in the acrylic liquid just a little bit. Just a little bit. And also you're going to want to take that and dip it in the powder and just let it set for like a few seconds, 2 or 3 seconds. Pick it up. Okay. And you see it picked up. And then you're going to put it on the nail. Okay, you're going to put it on the nail. Now what you're going to do, now if it's clumping up or getting out of control, okay, now this is a practice hand. This is going to be a little bit different when you do a real hand. Okay, now you're going to do that same process. You're going to dip it in the acetone so that your brush don't harden up. Okay, and then you dip it in the acrylic liquid and you pick up a little bit more powder. Okay, and then you go over to your nail and you smooth it out. That's how you sculpt and create your nail. You smooth it out as best as possible. Okay, it's kind of hard for me to lean it over to the side while I'm doing this, but I'm going to try to show you all the best way possible. Okay. You see how it's not dripping? You don't want that drip. Some people, when they first start off with doing nails, it's a drip. Okay. You don't want that to drip. Okay, you don't want that. Now, it's okay if you make a slight mistake, because what you're going to do, the filing comes in play. Okay, the filing comes in play, so you're going to file any incorrections that you've done. Okay, Okay, now see, you're going to put that nail on there, that liquid on there, and you're going to shape it and sculpt it the best way that you know how. Okay, and you smooth it out. You're going to smooth it out. Now, it just depends on how the client, how thick they want it or how thin they want it. So you have to ask your client how thick or thin they want their nail to be. Okay, but always dip it in the acetone so that your brush doesn't get clumped up or hardened. Okay, and so you put it on there and you shape, and you're going to want to shape it as much as possible and make sure it's even all the way around. And you see it's no dripping, because when you dip your brush in the acrylic liquid, you just do the tip of it, because your brush is going to soak up a lot of acrylic, so you don't need to dip your whole brush in that liquid. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. And I'm going to put one more layer on here because I want it a little bit thick, just so I can show you all how to do this. So I'm going to put it in the acetone, my brush, so my brush doesn't harden up, and I'm going to rub it on the paper towel so that extra stuff can come off of it. Dip it in the acrylic liquid, and now dip it in the powder. This is my last layer I'm going to put on here because, like I said, I want it a little bit thick, just so I can show you all how to do it. And you want to shape it and sculpt it the best way that you can. And this is for beginners. Okay? And so that's sculpted. And so now I'm going to leave that alone and go to the next nail. Okay? Which is this one here. I'm going to go to that one. Now I'm going to get all that stuff off the brush, and I'm going to dip it in the acetone and rub it on my paper towel. Now I'm going to dip it in the acrylic liquid a little bit, and then I'm dipping it in my powder. Pick up some, okay? And then I'm going to place it on my nail. Okay, now you shape it the best way and sculpt it the best way that you know how. If you can't sculpt it good with the brush, that's when the filing comes into play. You're going to use a filer to file that down and to shape it, okay, the best way that you know how. Okay, so don't worry about if you don't get it too good the first time. The filer's going to come in handy. I'm going to put one more layer on this other nail. And see, it's not dripping, it's not falling off, it's not going to the sides. Okay, it's actually on the nail pretty good. That's the main purpose of it, okay? All right. And so both of those nails are ready. Okay, they're not dried just yet. But I just wanted to really show you all how to do this without dripping. Okay, I'm going to put one more layer on this nail. This is the same method I use to do my own nails and other people's nails. This is the same method. Okay, this is how I create and shape the nail and sculpture the nail. Okay, so this is how I do my, see, I did my own nails. That's how this is the same method. I do my own nails. This is the same method. So if you want to achieve this look, follow these steps that I'm showing you now. But until then, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. This pretty much is the video. I wanted to show you all how to do it with no dripping. Okay? How to do it with no dripping. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And the ring bell so you never miss an upload. Until then, I'll see y'all later.